Welcome to my vlog. It's Merly Merly. Let's eat lunch without rice, but still healthy. Here it is guys, our vegetable wrap.
Ito naman guys ang aking lunch. Ayan, salted vegetable po. And dahil walang meat, maglalagay po ako ng very little pampalasa. Yun lang po. At ayan, asin. Para hindi maraming preservatives. At syempre ako po naglalagay ng konting white pepper. Very natural cooking. Gaya po noon, nung walang-wala pa. Ang pampalasa lang namin, asin at paminta. Hanggang ngayon po, wala pa rin. Pero yan, healthy po siya.
At yan, mag-reheat na po tayo ng ating wrapper. Ready-made na po yung wrapper. Pero minsan ako mismo ang gumagawa. So, maglagay tayo ng very little oil. Iwas nga tayo sa maraming oil. At i-fry na natin yung ating scrambled egg. Just don't flip it kasi dyan ilagay natin yung wrapper. Okay? At saka siya natin ipip-flip up at nasa loob yung egg. Okay? Lagyan na natin ng filling, vegetables, salted. Ayan. So, we close it. Wrap it just like burritos. So, ayan na guys, ang ating lunch.
Okay, this is my lunch. This is vegetable wrap. And fish soup. Ang aking dragon fruit and Quaker oats. Okay guys, let's eat.